Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. And good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to each and everyone. I am Dr. Rusty Ibrahim Mudak, and I am the one who continued the report of Miss Sahada, which is the chapter 10 Rizal tour of Europe within Dr. Viola in 1887. After Dr. Jose Rizal and Dr. Viola visited the Lemaitriches, they proceed to the Prague, and they also carried a letter of recommendation from Lemaitrich to Dr. Wilcam, professor in University of Prague. And dito sa lugar na to, sa Prague, ay may iba't ibang pinuntahan si Dr. Jose Rizal and Dr. Viola. At ang mga lugar na ito ay ang the Tomb of Copernicus, Museum of Natural History, and the Bacteriological Laboratories, and the Cave of San Juan Nepomuceno. Is the image of the Museum of Nicholas Copernicus in Europe. At pagkatapos ni Dr. Jose Rizal at Dr. Viola pumunta dito sa City of Prague, ay pumunta naman sila sa lugar na tinatawag na Bran. At kung saan nanatili dito sila sa Bran, ay Rizal wrote a letter to Lemaitrich, and he told him that he forgot his diamond stick pin at his room in Hotel Krebs. At kung saan sumulat si Dr. Jose Rizal sa kay Professor Lemaitrich na naiwan niya daw yung kanyang diamond stick pin. And also, nothing important happened in this country according to Viola, kaya wala masyadong nami-mention na nangyari sa kanila. Kumbaga parang nagpahinga lang sila sa lugar na ito dito sa Bran. And ang sunod naman nila na pinuntahan na lugar ay ang Vienna. May 20 they arrive at Vienna, capital of Austria, Hungary. They meet Norfen Falls, one of the greatest novelists that time. They stay at Hotel Metropole. They also meet two good friends of Lemaitrich, Massner and Nordam, Austrian scholars. And then this is the picture of Hotel Metropole, or the image. And the next is the Danubian voyage to Linz. May 24, Rizal and Viola left Vienna on a river boat to see beautiful sight of the Danube River. Ibig sabihin, dito sila dumaan sa sa river, sakay ng bangka para makita daw yung magandang tanawin ng Danube River. As they travel along the famous river, Rizal observed Ginley River side. From Linz to, and the next is from Linz to Rheinfall. The river voyage ended in Linz. They travel overland to Salzburg, and from there to Munich, where the sojourn for a short time to savor the famous Munich beer. And the next is, ang sunod nilang pinuntahan ay crossing the frontier to Switzerland. They stay from June 2 to 3, 1887, and continue tour to Basel, Orbeil, Bern, and Lausanne. The next one is the Geneva. Rizal and Viola left Lausanne in a little boat crossing the foggy Leman Lake to Geneva. On June 19, 1887, his 26th birthday, Rizal treated Viola to a blowout. Rizal and Viola spent 15 days in Geneva. Ibig sabihin, nag-stay sila doon ng ang 15 days. On June 23, they parted ways. Viola decided to return to Barcelona while Rizal continued his tour to Italy. Dito sa part na to is nag-decide daw si Viola na bumalik sa Barcelona, while si Rizal ay nagpatuloy siya ay tumungo sa Italy. Then nung dumating si Rizal sa Italy, Rizal received sad news from his friends in Madrid of the deplorable condition of the primitive Igorots who were exhibit in this exposition. Some of these Igorots died. Rizal was outraged by the degradation of his fellow countrymen. Nung napunta si Rizal dito sa Italy is nadatnan niya or nakita niya na parang tinatrato na hayop yung mga Igorot, kasi makikita dito sa larawan is yung pinagpupulungan sila ng mga tao. Kumbaga parang ginagawang yung pinapanood nila na may nakatali, tapos yung iba nasa kulungan. Then doon parang naano si Rizal, naiyak or nalungkot doon si Rizal sa part na yung pagdating niya sa Italy. He visited Turin, Milan, Venice, and Florence. On June 27, 1887, he reached Rome. He was thrilled by the sights and memories of the eternal city Rome. On June 29, Rizal visited for the first time the Vatican, the city of the popes and the capital of Christendom. After a week of staying in Rome, he prepared to return to the Philippines. He had already written to his father that he was coming home. And that's all. Good evening. Thank you.